Espresso Con Panna Dessert Shot. Rich and creamy magic. #short hey coffee lovers. Today we're making a bold and indulgent Espresso Con Panna dessert shot that's rich, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. This classic Italian-inspired treat combines strong espresso with a silky layer of whipped cream for the perfect balance of flavors. It's quick, elegant, and perfect for a little pick-me-up or after-dinner treat. If you love simple coffee desserts, this one's for you. Let's get started. Ingredients: you'll need 1 shot of freshly brewed espresso, 2-3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar, touch of cocoa powder or chocolate shavings for garnish. Start by brewing a fresh shot of espresso using your espresso machine or stovetop maker. Pour it into a small glass or espresso cup. Next, whip the heavy cream in a small bowl until soft peaks form. If you prefer a sweeter finish, add sugar while whipping and mix until combined. Once your espresso is ready, gently spoon the whipped cream over the top. You want it to sit lightly on the surface, creating that beautiful layered look. Finish by dusting a little cocoa powder or adding chocolate shavings for an extra touch of indulgence. Serve immediately while the espresso is hot and the cream is cool. Each sip gives you that perfect contrast, strong, rich coffee, balanced by smooth, airy cream. This quick dessert shot is elegant, satisfying, and perfect for ending any meal on a high note. And that's your Espresso Con Panna dessert shot. You're rich, smooth, and perfectly balanced. It's a simple treat that feels extra special. I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious coffee ideas. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next coffee creation. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.